Hi, welcome back to the Salsa Beat. I'm Erica.
And I'm Juan 2 3, and today we're going to show you how you could create a simple salsa combo using these three moves: the 180, the reverse crossbody lead, and a fake crossbody lead.
If you don't know each of the individual moves, we have broken each of them down in detail from the leader's perspective and the follower's perspective, and we'll leave the links for those videos in the description below.
Now remember, if you don't have a partner, you can still learn a lot by shadow dancing with us. So let's do this together. All right, here we go. Let's have some fun connecting this combo. Let's learn all the little intricacies that connect these three moves together. First, leaders, face the right.
Followers, we're facing the left.
And we're going to take a couple steps back, nice and sexy towards your partner. Now, as far as connection, I'm going to use this connection. I know in the past, we've used a lot the classic connection, but today we're going to experiment with this.
For the followers, we just want to have our wrist slightly down. We don't want to be up and we don't want to have it straight because then it's really easy for the leader to slip off. So just drop that wrist a little bit.
As far as the leaders, I'm just creating a cup. It's like I'm asking for money. Ladies, give us some money. All right, here we go. With this hand, remember, connect by the ribs. We mentioned the why in the previous videos. It is a better connection, at least for me, to lead this next moves. So we're going to start with the 180. Remember, 180 starts on 5. So starting with the basic step. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 5. And here we go. Go 1, 2, I engage. And on 5, I move the lady out of the way. On 6, remember, I walk across. I get to the other side on 7. And generally on 1, I bring my feet together. But because we're going to go into a reverse crossbody lead, I'm going to get out of the way on 1. Now notice on 1, I didn't bring her with me. I left the lady there because I want her to stay on her line of dance.
For the follower, I'm nice and relaxed with my right hand. And because I saw him move out of the way, I'm ready because I know that probably something else is coming up. Okay, so let's try that. Same thing again, stopping on 1.
Here we go. 5, 6, and basic. And 1, 2, 3, and 5. And here we go. 180, 2, 3, 5. Open and 1 and stop. Now on 2, 3, remember leaders, you're gonna lead them forward into tiny little steps. So don't do your whole lead on 2. So let's walk through this together. I'm gonna go 1, we're gonna go 2. I give another step forward on 3, and I twist it on 5 by finishing, and then I go 6, 7. Now while I was leading this, I want you to acknowledge that I keep this hand close to the ground. I mean, not close to the ground, close to my hip when I lead it. So keep that in mind this next round when we do it again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, basic, and 5. And here we go.
180.
And 1, 2, 3. Reverse. Get out the way. Leader forward. 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1.
And for the followers now, remember that we don't want to cross back, okay? So we want to keep our shoulders on the line of dance for that reverse crossbody lead. So I'm taking 1 step forward, the second step forward, my shoulders are forward here. Instead of going back on 3, okay, you want to go forward on 3 and rotate to the right. Okay, so let's keep that in mind for this next time.
Here we go. From the top with a smile. 5, 6, and 7, and 1. Basic step. As always, here we go. Engage on 3, 180, 5, 6, reverse, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. On the next round, we're going to open on 1 because we're going to do a fake crossbody lead. Now, acknowledge once again, I'm using this connection. Okay, let's try it again. Here we go. 5, 6, and basic, and 1. Basic step and smile. Show some teeth. Here we go. Lead on 5 and 5, 6, reverse, and 1, 2, open, 5, 6, and hold, and 1. Okay, now on 1, remember, I'm trying to keep a nice frame with my arm. I'm trying to keep it parallel as far as like how I keep her wrist in proportion to her elbow. Don't be up here. That's all I'm trying to say. Keep it nice and aligned.
And for the followers, again, I want to make sure that wrist is down so that I can you don't want to push against him, but he has something to connect with for that fake. If I have that wrist up, he's going to lose connection right away. Okay.
Okay. Don't forget, ladies, to push. Use your knees to push from the ground to get out of the move. Don't rely on the guy. So let's say we're here on 1. Okay. And let's do the 2, 3, small size step. So 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 6, 7. So let's try that again all the way from el tapo. That means top in Spanish. Just kidding. Here we go. 5, 6, and basic, and 1, 2, 3, and 5. Here we go. 180, 2, 3, and 5. Reverse and 1,
Walk forward,
2,
rotate
3,
to the
and
right.
fake it. 6, 7,
Wrist
small
down.
step, release. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let's go ahead and now let's walk it back. 1, 2, 3, and
5,
basic
6,
step,
basic.
and 1, 2, 3, connect, close position, and 1, 2, 3, and here we go. 180 and 1, lead the lady. 5, get out the way, lead her forward. 2, 3, 5, fake crossbody, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and basic. 2, 3, let's walk it back again, and 1, 2, 3, we're gonna do this again later with music. 2, 3, basic. 5, 6, 7, connect. 2, 3, and 5, and here we go. 180, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, reverse, fake crossbody, lead, light lead. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3.
Yes. So now for the followers, I know that you're watching us, and so you know when we're cueing you to go. So the hardest part for us is that we need to wait for the lead. So even if we go, but your leader doesn't, try to follow your leader, okay? And this is going to help him to learn what he's doing right and what he's doing wrong based on whether you're following or not. So now let's practice going slow, medium, and fast with counts.
Let's give that a try. Here we go. Let's connect. Let's walk it back, And here we go. Let's connect.
5,
6, 7,
1, 2, 3, 5,
and here we go.
7,
180. 1, 2, out
3,
the way.
5, 6,
reverse,
7,
out the
1,
way. 2, 3, open up on 1. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3.
5,
Let's walk
6,
it back. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and basic. And 1, 2, close position. 5, 6, 7, and basic. 2, 3, and 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Keep it low. 2, 3, 5. Open 1. Lead it light. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3.
Walk it back.
Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and faster now. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, connect. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Here we go on 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, reverse, and 1, 2, 3, and open. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, release. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, and walk it back. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7, and basic. 2, 3, connect. 6, 7, and basic. 2, 3, 5, and here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, out the way. 2, 3, open up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, walk it back again. 1, 2, 3, we're going to go faster. And 1, 2, 3,
5, 6, 7.
connect.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1,
Basic.
2, 3, 5, 6,
Here we
7.
go.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6,
Reverse.
7. 1,
Keep
2,
it low.
3, 5, 6,
Nice and
7.
smooth.
1,
Small
2, 3,
side.
5, 6,
5,
and
7, and
basic.
5, 2, 3, and 5,
Walk
6,
it back.
7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and basic. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, connect. 1, 2, 3, last time. Here we go with the smile. 2, 180, 5, 6, 7, out the way. Keep it low. Open up. Fake. 2, 3, release. 6 and 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5. Nice. One more high five. Bam.
All right, it's my favorite part. We're going to do it with music. So let's go ahead and get into position.
So let's walk back. Now remember that adding music is that extra layer that sometimes tends to complicate things. So don't trip if you're not getting it today. I promise you, if you practice, you will get it. For today, just smile.
Let's connect.
Hear that conga. Here we go. And basic step. And 1, 2, 3, and 5. Here we go. 180, 2, 3.
5, 6,
Reverse.
7. 1,
2, 3.
5, 6,
And fake
7.
it.
1,
2,
2,
3.
5, 6,
And release.
7.
And 1, 2, 3. Let's
6,
walk it back.
7.
And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and basic. And 1, 2, connect.
5, 6,
And here we go. 180.
2, 3, 5, 6,
Reverse.
7. 1, 2, 3, 5,
Fake
6,
it.
7.
Nice and light.
1, 2, 3.
Release.
5,
6, 7, and basic.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6,
Walk it back.
7. 1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
No counts.
5,
Here
6,
we go.
7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Here we go.
Reverse. Fake it. release, and smile. And 1. Nice job. Let's walk it back again. And 1, 2, 3,
5,
6, 7.
little
And
faster.
1.
Basic. 2, 3, 5, 6. Basic. 1, 2. Here we go. 6, 7. 1, 2,
180.
3, 5, 6, 7.
Reverse.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Fake it.
1, 2. Release. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2. Walk it back. 6,
Here we go.
7.
And
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Basic.
1, 2,
Connect.
3, 5, 6,
Here we go.
7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6,
Reverse.
7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Fake it.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Walk it back. 1, 2, 3,
Smile.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2,
Connect.
3. 6
Here we
without
go.
counts. Go. Speeding
Nice.
it up.
2, 3.
Back it up. 6,
Back it
7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3.
Connect.
6, 7.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3,
Again.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2,
Connect.
5, 6,
180.
7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6,
Reverse.
7. 1, 2, 3,
Fake it.
5,
Close the
6,
gate.
7. 1,
Lead
2,
it light.
3, 5,
6, 7.
1, 2,
Walk it back
6,
last
7.
time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
5, 6,
No
7.
counts.
1, 2.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Nice job. High five.
High five.
High five.
Bam.
Congratulations. You finished another dance lesson. Now, be sure to keep practicing it because up next, we're going to learn how to style it.
Yes, and thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. It really helps us to know that you're enjoying these lessons and these videos. So if you haven't done so yet, please go ahead and do that. Like, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you here next time. Bye.